This time I'm going to open my dad's lawnmower
With?
with my brother. Bye.
No, go.
Yeah.
Careful.
Give me the two now. Right? I mean, over this side. Give me the. Okay. Got it. The tape. I'll get the tape to open. Okay, that's okay.
Think you guys need help.
Nope.
No. You don't force it. That's why you have the key. You just need to.
Push it hard.
Oh.
Give me the. Where is it? Yeah, I need the keys. Yeah, I need it.
Give me the key.
Okay, Daddy. This is the manual. The bag. This is the bag, the charger, and batteries, and then the lawnmower itself. Just have to assemble it, kind of.
Okay.
Do we push this?
So this is the charger. You put everything here first. Manual.
Oh.
Plastic.
Daddy, what is that?
I don't know.
And that's the lawnmower.
Okay.
All the stuff is there. Hardware. I said to take everything. So I thought we'd take that out. Oh. Now it's just the lawnmower. Do we got this off? Do we both carry it?
Remove the box. Okay, remove the box.
Now that's the lawnmower.
So we will try to assemble
The bag.
bag.
All the things go on those things. You did it? We have almost assembled the bag by putting this in.
Okay, one down.
You're done with the bag. Now you have to try to assemble that. Where'd the grass go in?
One is mulch plug.
Mulch plug.
Yeah, so just
We just stick that in there because it fits, right?
yeah,
Yeah, it fits perfectly.
that's how it is.
And then
But we will not use it
huh?
because I'm going to use this. This one simply goes like that.
Why are you not gonna use it? Cause you're. Yeah, but I thought you. Huh?
gets hair for a mouth.
Ah. So now
I wish-
Can you grab that?
Battery pack.
Don't drop it.
This?
Don't drop anything. Okay.
First, we need to charge it
Yep.
in that power bank.
What power bank? Oh yeah, that.
That's the power bank. But on the when it sticks right there, that's an outlet. Some people they just stick it on the wall and then they lock. And then when it's done, then where are you gonna put that? Oh, now it's starting to use.
Now it's charging. See?
It's
Okay.
charging now.
So
when it goes to green, it's done charging.
no, maybe I don't know. Yeah, it should be green. Now Kuya will open the
Box.
With a battery.
Where's the key?
Kuya, can you open there?
Where's the key?
Leah, ang nag-video hindi malikot anak. Steady lang ang kamay. May insayo ang ano. Ang nanonood. I think Kuya needs help because this is the way you use it.
Yeah. Slightly stronger. Yeah.
Don't drop.
It's like a teeny one.
Yeah, I definitely need help.
Okay. No. It's heavy. Wow.
That's
So this is the big
The battery, you mean, right?
battery. That's too big.
Too big.
and heavy.
Ugh. I can actually use this for sleep.
So Leah, are you?
I'm still seeing.
Okay, so this is how you connect.
You just slide it.
Slide it like that.
It's good to go.
Flat. And let it charge. So,
If it goes
charging. See? It's charging. If it's steady light, it will be ready. Okay? But
Put this back to where it was. I'm gonna show you how you adjust the height. So this is the thing. You pull it down, and then you select which height you want.
okay.
Like that. 3, it's like that.
And then
So this is how you adjust it.
the handle.
The handle. You just do that.
And then-
if you don't want it,
Okay, can you adjust it, Kuya?
adjust it. Yeah.
So that's how you do it. You make sure it is locked.
This is the lock. And if you just want it to go back to normal, you just put all
down.
the locks back up, and then you put them back down. And then it's good to go. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to put the bag as well. So if you come over here, you have the bag. Here, these two things go inside these in there. So you do hang it. You go like this. It's not going in.
Just like that.
Yep, like that, and then it goes in.
That's it.
That's it, yeah. And then you're ready to unlock. Just waiting for. So after you're done using the lawnmower, you have to first take the bag out with all the grass in it. So then you could put all the grass in the trash can. Now, since you're done using it, there are these like switches or something. You twist them, There's two. You twist them, so then you could fold it. And then you just twist it again. Twist it again, and it will be good to go. Now you could store it.
Just
See where
like
you
that.
put your lawnmower.
Easy, huh?
Yeah.
Easy peasy, lemon.
And then you could put the bag
Somewhere to hang.
somewhere. So guys, this is the battery. After it's ready, you have to take this off and then put the battery in. Yeah, wait.
I'm just holding it. Just
Yeah, you have to put the battery just like that, like what my dad did, and then you're ready to go.
and
So
then you switch this.
So guys, I hope you learned something today about folding the lawnmower, assembling it, and taking the bag off.
Please like and subscribe